Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you guys don't know me or are new to my channel, my name is Rein and I am a local photographer, filmmaker, and content creator here in Winnipeg. So today, instead of doing a behind the scenes video or photo shoot vlog, I thought it'd be interesting to show you what's in my camera bag. Like any photographer or videographer out there, this camera bag does go everywhere with me on photo shoots, video shoots. I'm gonna be honest with you, it goes with me everywhere I go, regardless if it's on a photo shoot or not. This is the Bag Smart water resistant camera backpack from Amazon. And this is actually the first camera backpack I've owned, and it's actually my favorite so far. It carries a lot of the equipment I use. It holds up to about 5 to 6 lenses, a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, and a laptop up to 15 inches. This bag does have a side compartment for the camera itself for easier access, and a top compartment to store clothes, lighting equipment, books, whatever you can think of. So in my bag, I have my Sony a7 II mirrorless camera. This is my main go-to camera when I'm out on a shoot. This here, this is my baby. This is my child. What I love about the camera is the faster shutter speed, which makes moving shots easier to capture, and of course its full frame capabilities, just because I've never worked with a full frame camera at all. However, this camera does not shoot in 4K, but the video quality is decent enough for different types of shooting. I do have a lens adapter on this camera, so I can use my previous Canon lenses on my Sony. And to be honest, it saved me a lot of money from buying Sony lenses, just because Sony lenses are very, very expensive, even Sigma ones, so I'm very happy with this. I also have the Canon 50mm lens with an aperture of 1.8 on it. I love this lens, and this is always my go-to lens whenever I'm doing any type of portrait shoot. It gives off such a vibe, and the bokeh effect on this lens is just beautiful. It perfectly separates the subject from the background, which attracts the eye a little bit more. Next up, I have my Canon T1i DSLR. Now, this camera I only use as a backup just in case my Sony eats up all the battery life I can give. This camera I've used since 2016 for debut or wedding shoots. Not the greatest quality in photos, but then again, this is an 8-year-old camera that I have. It's still decent enough for different types of shooting. I do have a beat up 40mm lens with an aperture of 2.8 on it, but it still works as is. Next, I have my 2 wide lenses. This is the Canon 10 to 18mm lens, and the kit lens, which is the 18 to 55mm. Here I have the MOUKEY directional video camera microphone. Now, I hardly use this for any videos just because I haven't made any vlogs yet, which is a shame just because it is such a decent microphone for the price on Amazon, so I was very happy with this purchase. In one of the pockets I have my Osmo Mobile 3 smartphone gimbal. Now, I really like this gimbal whenever I shoot on my phone because it stabilizes the footage really well, and it's super lightweight. I'm definitely going to use this more often when I shoot vlogs on my phone. This is the ULANZI anamorphic lens for smartphones. If you guys don't know what an anamorphic lens is, I will be making a separate video on how they work and showing you guys how this lens gives off a cinematic widescreen effect on your phone footage. So make sure to click subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notified when that video comes out. And that's about it. I hope you guys got somewhat of a glimpse of what equipment I use on an average photo shoot, and also this new setup I have. I'm loving this, so I'm definitely going to shoot more videos in this setup very soon. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!